Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to update your channel photo on Telegram with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want to refresh your channel's look or just add a new image, these instructions will get you there in no time. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and have access to the channel you want to update. Next, head to your channel. You can find it in your chat list or by searching for the channel's name. Once you're inside the channel, look at the very top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This will open the channel's profile page, where you can see details and manage settings. Now, look for the small edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol near the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to enter the editing mode for your channel's profile. Here, you'll see an option labeled Set New Photo. Go ahead and tap on it. Telegram will prompt you to choose a new image for your channel. You can either select a photo from your device's gallery or take a new one with your camera. Once you've picked the perfect photo, you'll have a chance to crop or adjust it to fit the channel's profile circle. Make any tweaks you like, then tap Save or the checkmark to confirm your changes. Your new channel photo is now live. Anyone who visits your channel will see the updated image right away. This is a simple way to keep your channel looking fresh and inviting for your audience. Updating your Telegram channel photo only takes a few moments, but it can make a big difference in how your channel is perceived. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for following along. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned and keep your Telegram channels looking their best.